I'm really sorry about the delay. There's some technical issue going on right now. Really sorry, everyone. We're trying to deal with some technical issue right now. Kenny's voice can't be heard, so we're trying to deal with it. So try reconnecting back. Till then, you can just type something in the chat, talk about yourself. How's the hackathon going on? How's everything? And do you like my lights behind? Are they really cool? So, since you guys decided to join Introduction to Data Science, you guys can definitely talk about data science and what do you love about data science, or what are you trying to learn from this workshop in the comment section. Would be a great idea to get started. Till then, Kini can join us. She can try to solve a technical issue. So I see more people joining in the stream. So as I was discussing before, if you guys want to talk about why are you interested in data science and why you decided to join this workshop, or even talk about how's the hackathon going on for you right now, what projects you are building. So it's a good time to talk about that. We are facing some technical issues, so it's a good time to chat and have a good conversation right now. Hello, Kini. We are live right now. Can you hear us?
Now, can you hear me? Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you right now.
Ah, okay then.
Yeah, we'll get started. Sorry for the delay, everyone.
So I will share the I will present share the screen with you. Okay, we can start.
Sorry for the delay, everyone. We'll get started right now. So, welcome to the workshop, and rest Kini will take over.
Hello everyone and welcome to my workshop. Yeah, let's start. My workshop title is an introduction to data science, and I'm Kenni Konate, a data scientist. I had my master in data science and AI. Today we are going to speak about data science. What is data science? Firstly, data science tools, the applications of data science, and I will give an example that it shows how we use the data to make a model with Python and TensorFlow. What is data science? Here there is a definition. Data science involves obtaining, analyzing, and making decisions from data. So we will collect the data and we will try to make a decision from this data that we have. Another definition that is the study of data to drive useful business insights is known as data science. As we know, data science is a multidisciplinary. So we have for analyzing massive volumes of data that integrates either ideas and techniques from the domain of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering. And this image shows that. So we need computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, all of this which make our skills in data science. What is the tools that you use in what is the tools that we use in data science in generally? We use Python, and Python is an open source, and we use also R, and both of them they are open source. And Python has a lot of packages that help us as data scientists in our work. So it is the most usedly um, tool. Applications of data science, where we apply data science in intelligent systems, in robotics, marketing, medicine, healthcare, and autonomous driving, and also in analyzing the social network. And now we will go to our example, which is hard disk prediction with linear regression. Yeah, here as you see, firstly, we import our libraries, numpy, pandas, and the function of train test split. Yeah, we are here using logistic regression, I mean model as a model. And the data that I'm gonna use is here. It's uploaded. So if you need to upload the data from the drive, so here is the code of it, and also this one is for it. But as my data is uploaded here, so the code I will need is this one. So I'm gonna run it. Here from this code, we will see the number of rows and columns in the data set that we have. So we have 303 rows and 14 columns. Here with this code, we print the first 5 rows. If we enter a number, so it will print that number. Here like 4, only 4. But if we don't enter a number, so as default, it will shows the first 5 rows. Here with tail, we print the last 5 rows. Make it bigger to show. As you see here, the age, the columns that we have, so the features that we will need in our model. And I'm using here logistic regression as a model because we have a classification or binary classification. So it's yes or no question. That's why it's common to use logistic regression model in this kind of classification, binary classification. So here with info, we will have some information about the data, as you see here. The data type, the column name, and we see here that we have none null, so we don't miss any data here. As you see, to checking the missing values, we use is null. So as you see here, age and all of them. And with describe, we will print some statistical measures about the data. Here we are checking the distribution of target variable. For we have 0, which is this one. 0 means that if the patient doesn't have heart disease, with 1 if the patient have a heart disease. So we have 165 for the who has heart disease, and 138 patients don't have heart disease. And here with this text, it's more obvious and clear with heart disease and without heart disease. So I write here to show it to you. Here we are going to splitting the features and targets. So as you see here, as we are splitting the columns, so we want the target to be, I will show it here to be more clear. Okay, after I will print it. Here, as you see in X, we have all the other columns are part of target. It's the value that we are going to predict in our model. And in Y, as you see, we will have the target value. Here we will go into splitting the data into training data and test data. So as you see here, when I give this number, it means that I give 20% to the test data and 80% to the training data. And here with the shape, I want to control the number that I have in X as the data sets, and in train, X train, and X test. I mean the uh, training data sets and test data sets. So we have, as total in the data set, we have 303 rows. For the training datasets, we have only 200, and for the test datasets, we have 61. Here we start working with our model, which is a logistic regression. To fit our model, we use model point fit. Here it gives a warning because our dataset is too small, but it's not an error, it's only a warning. After fitting our model, which fitting means learning, our model here is learning, We will go to see the model evaluation. So we'll evaluate our model. Yeah. Now, as you see, the accuracy of our training data is 85, yeah, 85 percent. And here we will see the accuracy of our tests. Yeah, which is 81%. Here we will, as we fit our model and we have an accuracy now. So now we are going to make a building predictive system. We will build a predictive system. So here is an example, but as I will show, for example, I will delete this one and I will show an example with the data that I have. Mm, but I I think it's not here. I will check. I will give the data without the target. You see? Yeah. And in the data that I have here, the target number is 1. So we'll see here. Yeah. So as you see, the our system also predicts the same target number, which is 1. Yeah, that's it. I wanted to show how to make a model with logistic regression as an example of using data science in to solve real problems. Is there any question about the example that I showed?
Yeah, I don't see anything on the chat. I think so. We can proceed. There are no questions at this point.
You didn't say see any question.
Yeah, I didn't see any questions on the chat right now.
Okay, thank you to be with you today, and thank you to all the teams of SacHacks.
Oh, thank you very much for holding this workshop and talking about data science. It was really informative to learn about logistic regression, and plus, I'm learning it in my classes right now, so it's really interesting to learn it from you as well. Thank you for coming, and thank you for joining SacHacks.
Thank you so much. Have a
Bye.
nice day. Good
You
luck
too. Thank
for
you.
the all the competitors.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.